So then we have to start the example. Let we have to consider a matrix A is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So we have to define the inverse of that matrix by using column transformation. So first of all, we have to check it is invertible or not. So we have to define determinant of A. So then the determinant of A is -5, so which is not equal to 0. So therefore A inverse is exist. And then by column transformation we can use the definition A inverse into A is equal to I. Put all these values, A inverse as it is, so put the value of matrix A, it is 1 2 2 -1, which is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Then step first, your first diagonal is 1. Yes, it is already 1. So then we have to go for the second step. So second step काय येणार आहे आपल्या, या डायगोनल्सच्या शेजारचे एलिमेंट आपण 0 करणार आहोत या डायगोनलचा यूज करून. दॅट मीन्स C2 कॉलम मधला फर्स्ट एलिमेंट 0 करायचा आहे C1 कॉलमचा यूज करून. सो C2 कॉलम मध्ये आहे एलिमेंट 2, हा 0 करण्यासाठी इथेही 2 हवा आहे. दॅट मीन्स वी कॅन चेंज C2 चेंज टू C2 minus 2 टाइम C1. So we can apply the operation C2 change to C2 minus 2 time C1. So your C1 column as it is. So C2 column, बघा C2 column 2 minus 2 time 1. 2 time 1 means 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So then it is -1 minus 2 time corresponding element in C1 is 2. So it is -1 minus 4. So it is -5. So which is equal to your first column as it is. Similarly we can apply the operation on a second column. So element in second column -2 time corresponding element in first column is 1. So it is -2. Similarly element in second column is 1, -2 time corresponding element in first column is 0. So it is only 1. So then the next one step, your second diagonal is 1. So the second diagonal is 1. So use the only second column. So C2 change to -1/5 C2. So your A inverse into, yes, first column your as it is 1 2, second column ला divide करणार आहात -5 ने. So first one 0 as it is, -5/-5 is 1. So which is equal to your first column 1 0 as it is. Here is -2/-5, that means 2/5, and here is -1/5. So आता सेकंड डायगोनल 1 केल्यानंतर त्याच्या शेजारचा एलिमेंट काय करणार आहात, 0. So then we can apply C1 change to C1 minus 2 time C2. So C1 change to 2 time C2. So your A inverse as it is. So we can apply the operation C1 minus 2 time corresponding element in C2 is 0. That means 1 minus 2 times 0. It is 1. So 2 minus 2 time 1. That means 2 minus 2 is 0. Your second column 0 1 as it is. So which is equal to, apply the operation. So corresponding element in C1 is 1, -2 time corresponding element in C2 is 2/5. So 1 minus 2 time 2/5. 1 minus 2 time 2/5. So it is 1 minus 4/5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 4 it is 1/5. So second corresponding element कुठला element column C1 मधला 0, minus 2 time corresponding element in C2 is -1/5. So it is 0 minus 2 time -1/5. So it is 2/5. So your C2 column 2/5 -1/5 as it is. So therefore your inverse is 1/5, 2/5, 2/5 -1/5.